Vipi hali? Poa. Poa. Poa tena. Right now I've actually reached out here at this hill. I hope you remember that last time we went here with all of us. We were like 5 of us, so it's such an amazing thing. It's Sunday today, working out again, and it's such an incredible and most anticipated thing. I'm sorry for any kind of windshield because I'm using the GoPro, and something which is so great, enjoying this kind of amazing vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and if you didn't subscribe to your boy here. Ni fresh sana ukimsubscribe Abdul, and not only that, but huwezi miss out any moment ambayo we just bring it to you in a great and amazing way. That's what's up, bro. So yeah, enjoy this vlog. Waku! Sawa. Hey, manim! I'm gonna take off the drone right now because I saw a certain view. As you can see, guys, I hope you can see that. There's a perfect view there, perfect view somewhere there. So awesome. So to fly. So let's enjoy this cinematic moment. So I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing vlog, and right now I'm just signing out, and see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.